What's up, guys? Blaine's Plant Vlog, and today we're gonna be fertilizing our pineapples. So this is the newest edition of our pineapple collection. There's another one back there too. The biggest ones, and they need some nutrients, is they're a little yellow. They're supposed to look like this, dark green. These should have been fertilized. These are smaller ones. And the big one needs to be fertilized. You can see that's not very pretty. So they like to be fed through their leaves. So we have our mix, our fertilizer mix here, and just spray it on the leaves for the first time. And they feed the best of the leaves, so you just spray it all around the leaves. Make sure it runs down like this, all along the leaf. And this is how they get their nutrients. Smoke the best you can, and should also fertilize through the soil, which I do. But you'll see the results about a couple weeks or so after you fertilize. You soak it, drench it in the water. This is diluted, and just gotta cover it all with its nutrients it needs. And then the other ones, this is a little better one looking. It's a little smaller, but just. And also, fun fact, pineapples will fruit when they have 30 leaves. Or you can force them to fruit with 30 leaves. I won't be trying to do any of that till at least spring, because I don't want to, I'll make sure this pineapple plant's nice and large so I get some good sized pineapple. The other one is big enough over there, but it should continue to grow just a little bit more. I want about another foot of crown growth before I think about forcing it to bloom. I could wait, and I will probably wait, but I might try it with one. I might try forcing one of them to bloom. You use you use, what is it called? You know the gas that they use to force different plants to bloom? It's the hormone, the plant hormone. It's the carbon, I forgot what it's called. But you can get it in little pellets, and you put it in the ground with water, and then about a month later, you'll see the flower bloom. It's pretty much a 90% chance. And then you can also use, ethylene gas. It's called ethylene gas. And that's the plant. That's what triggers a plant to flowers, ethylene gas. So you can use rotting apples. You put them in slices of apple in between the leaf nodules and the leaf nodes. Put a bag over it, keeps the gas in there for 4 days, put it in shade, and then you take it off in about a month or so. If it works, you'll get a bloom. That's about 50-50 chance right there. It's not 100%. It doesn't work all the time. Never tried it, but I've seen how those do it. But yeah, these grow. Yeah, I'm in zone 8A, so I'm growing these in 8A, and they're doing well. As is now, that one is 5 months old. These are a year and a half. This is a year and a half old pineapple. And this one's about 8 months old. So 5 months, 8 months, a year and a half. This one will be ready to fruit in about 5 months or so. It might fruit before I can even, force it. But it's a good size. You'll probably get about 2 pound I don't know how it's heavy. You get a pretty good pineapple off this one right now if I did it right now. But I'm not doing it right now. But yeah, I'm just talking right now. Fertilizing the pineapple plants. Make sure to get all that leaves filled with that foliar feed. Do it best in the evening so they can soak it up. Look at that. Almost used it all up. Not quite. Blast it up. And then at the end, I'm just trying to pour the rest into the soil. I might spray the bananas a little bit, but they don't feed through their foliage, really. I don't think they do, at least. Yeah, look at that damage we got from the freeze. It's ridiculous. Look at that. But this looks good. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to talk about. I'm just rambling on about pineapples now. But that's about all I wanted to show you guys is fertilizing the pineapples. And these will be moved into the garage soon with a big new plant light I'm getting for Christmas. So about a month, I'll have a beautiful big plant light that I'll be using for the rest of my videos of winter. All right, guys, that's it. I'll show you guys results after this fertilizing and see what happens. See you in the next one, guys.